County officials say that they are cracking down on businesses that break the public health orders, but a lot of people are wondering which businesses have the most complaints and what does the county do about it. ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl dug through the data and found just 2 of the top 5 businesses have received shutdown orders.
We compiled this list using all the public complaints to 211 from April through the end of July. At number 5, Boulevard Fitness on El Cajon Boulevard. This gym got 141 complaints for intentionally operating indoors after the governor banned indoor gyms in mid-July. This week, San Diego police cited the owner after the gym defied a cease and desist order from the county. We couldn't reach the business owner for comment. At number 4, a place called The Gym in Pacific Beach. The gym got 158 complaints stretching back to the early days of the pandemic. Tipsters warned of people bunched close together without masks. One said it was an outbreak waiting to happen. And it was. The county traced an outbreak back to this facility and ordered the gym to close. It was given permission to reopen with equipment outside. But while we were there, the owner tried to stop our photojournalist from recording from the street and declined to comment. At number 3, another gym, SelfMade training facility on Sports Arena Boulevard. When we visited this one today, we saw plenty of people continuing to work out indoors. SelfMade got 184 complaints, mostly in mid-July, after the owner posted this on Instagram.
This is to let San Diego and everyone know that we will not be closing our doors, and I would love to see other gym owners take the same stand. Matt Pallardy declined an interview, but said in a statement that most of the complaints are from people who haven't actually been to the facility. He said they take steps to sanitize the equipment and said they're not as crowded as a typical gym because they only offer personal training. We checked, and as of Wednesday, the county had not sent them a shutdown notice. At number 2, a restaurant, Firehouse American Eatery in Pacific Beach. Firehouse got 190 complaints, almost entirely after this video surfaced on Reddit June 29th. Tipsters noted the tables look closer than 6 feet and people aren't wearing masks. But owner Matthew Spencer thinks a lot of tipsters didn't know that masks are not required when diners are seated.
It was a little bit of misunderstanding by the public at that time. It was put on Reddit by someone that wasn't there.
He says the county only clarified later that DJs are not allowed, and the restaurant has been going out of their way to follow all the rules.
Regardless of your political views, I just think you need to follow the rules. It seems to me that following the rules brings the numbers down. And to be on this list is really heartbreaking for us. I think it's one of those things where you're trying to do it so well and you kind of got misconstrued in this one area, and it makes us look bad.
Firehouse had no complaints before that incident and just 3 cents. County inspectors have visited Firehouse but have not taken any action against them. That brings us to the business with the most complaints in San Diego County. It's also in PB, the MadBeat. The juice and smoothie shop collected 191 complaints about employees not wearing masks, mostly after a customer posted this video online.
I was kind of saying, like, why aren't you guys wearing masks? And she was like, well, it's our civic right not to, and our employer agrees with our choices. And I was just like, oh my gosh.
Owner Brian Dunlap declined an interview, but suggested it was an isolated issue. However, we found complaints about a lack of masks in late April, 13 in May, and 11 in June, including several that said the owner wasn't wearing a mask either. Dunlap says the store has been in compliance since that incident. The county has not taken any action against them. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.